Sending the total price from the front end is not a good practice. For example, if some hacker was able to send an order with a fake total price somehow, then it will be stored in my database with a fake total price. So maybe someone has order with $1,000, but he faked it and he made it with $2. When I have a very busy web shop, I will not detect it. So it's better after the user is sending the order items IDs or the order items in general to the backend, we calculate that internally in the backend based on what we have in the database. So the source of truth is the database. So what I need to do is to loop over the order items which I got from the user or from the front end, and then I resolve that order items. I get the product, related product, and with the quantity, I multiply that and calculate the total price. So everything is coming from the database. So let's try to do that. Here we got order item IDs resolved. So somehow we need to replace this with a variable which we calculate internally. So let's call it a total price. And this total price will come from a constant where we are going to resolve these order items. So the same way we create a constant, call it a total prices, because we are going to loop on order items exactly the same way here. So we will do it like promise.all. So here I will get the order items resolved IDs and map over them, and I will get order item ID. I will get back the order item from the database because it's stored here already in the database. So exactly as here, we say async for our order item, and we get the order item through await, and we get also the model of order item and find by ID, the ID which I got here from the map. And then inside this order item we will get only the product ID and the quantity. So we need also to populate the product. And to make it faster, we can ask only for the price. So here I will get returned order item with the field of product inside it only the price. And then I will go to create constant total price only one, and I will say the order item which I got from the database dot product dot price, because we have the price populated already, multiplied by order item dot quantity. In this case, I will get also the quantity multiplied by the price. I will get the total price of one item. So mapping over all this array, I would like after that return only the total price. So here I will have array of total prices for every order item. So let's try to console.log this total prices array to be sure that everything is going to work fine. And I am going to post a new request or new order. I got error here because I am console log a promise. So here, as we did before previously, that we have here only a promise returned promise.all or combined promise, we put await. So it's simply we can also put await here, like wait and resolve this promise after everything is done inside. Let's try it again. Restart our server. Try to post. We will see here that we got array of two items or order items with their total price. So we need to make merge or summarize these two prices to one. To do that, we can simply make constant total price, and this total prices array, I will reduce it, and its reduce method, it's a famous way to get the sum of all numbers inside array. So I have A and B, return for me A plus B, and here we add a 0. So the initial value is 0, and then combine A and B, or combine every item of this array. So here, after we got the total price, we can place it here, restart our server, place a request, and we will see that we created a post request with the order, and the total price is 146, which is combined of two order items. Let's get also this order detail. We go here, we put it in the get request to get the details. So we will see first product, we have price 32 and the quantity is 3. And also the second product is quantity 2 and the price is 25. The total price will be 146. In this way, we guarantee that the total price is coming only from our database, not from the front end. So, first of all, we created the order items as we saw before, then we got the price, total price of every order item, and then we combined them or summarized them to one number, and then we created the order with the total price, which comes totally from the database.